Hey guys, welcome back to Dirt 5. It has been quite a while since we've last played this game, but since then there have been some new updates to the game that have had some new races, as well as some brand new cars, so let's go and check them out. Unlike, I guess, your normal DLC doesn't, your normal DLC, gives you all the cars for free, except this one. Yeah, I actually realized you have to actually buy the cars from an auto show, which is, it might seem a little bit redundant, but I find it quite cool because that way you actually have to like work towards. I mean, so I'm given a bunch of free cars just for paying real life money, but for example, we have the Alpine A110, which is, I'm just thinking it's so cool they threw this car in here since the old A110 was such a legendary rally car, and now this one's in here as well. Also, the Porsche Tachyon is finally in more and more video games, and this is one of them. It's called the Turbo S, even though it's electric, so it's not turbocharged. And then we have more interesting stuff like this, the Duke Coupe Off-Road, which is some sort of crazy looking off-road hot rod. It's actually categorized as Rally GT. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, this is new. We have the Zenden Cup, which is, it's kind of based on like a, looks like it's kind of based on a Ford Fiesta, but I think it's kind of its own it's kind of its own sort of rally car. And we also have this, the Chevy Silverado, which is a, I actually don't see Silverado in that many racing games, as well as the GMC Sierra, which is honestly quite stock looking for a, like a rally car. Let's see what else we have. Do you have any? Oh, what is this? It's like a demolition derby hearse Echo 1 looking thing. This is kind of not it's literally this is a hearse. I am kind of intrigued. Why don't we try out let's try the Taycan first. And why don't we, what's this? Actually, we have two new career modes. Why don't we just try our own event? We actually haven't done that much. And obviously don't have to shift gears because this is an electric vehicle. I forgot how tricky the handling was in this game. This car is fast, good acceleration. electric slide in it. Extremely easy race. I was thinking, why don't we try out a little bit of our career mode? Why don't we start with energy? And let's try our classic rally so we can try out our new hearse thing. The Jackson Eulogy. See if we start a little bit, I think we can do a bit better than that. So you get a bit better start. This is a terrible launch. It is massive, heavy hearse after all. We are on top of the Porsche. And we are in last place again. Oh no, Jesus. It turns out that the hearse isn't a very good car. Why don't we try our land rush and... Let's see if we can pick a rally GT car, so... I know it's quite expensive, but when we try this thing... I'm sorry, I know it's expensive again, but we have to go with the flames. I'll go with that classic hot rod. Black with red and yellow flames. Oh, this is multi-class. We're racing against... We're also racing against, like, 80s and 90s rally cars. Slightly, interesting corner cut. You just have to, the thing with this car is that you just have to, it does get quite a lot of wheel spin, but it actually turns in quite nicely once all the wheel spin's over. The thing I like with the race Dirt 5 is how, like, it's not just you slowly, progressively climbing up the ranks to get the first place. No, it's 1 minute you're in 10th, another you're in 3rd, then you're back in 7th place, then you're in 1st. I do not know how those other guys have gotten up there in front. Maybe I should have chosen the Tachyon for this race, but I'm just gonna put it out there. This car is way more fun than the Tachyon. Not be as fast and controllable when it's just, come on, past the M2. Play cheeky over there. And we get 3rd place. Well, let's see what else. Let's go with the rally raid. Actually, let's see what we have for this stampede. We'll give our hearse one last chance, and if it doesn't perform, we'll restart the event and choose one of the new pickups, either the Silverado or the Sierra. I'm not... I have to look it up again, but I'm not even sure if it's a real car. But I feel like this actually may start this a bit better, since rather than all these little individual cars we're up against these big trucks, this thing behaves a lot more like a trophy truck than a rally, and it's showing we have the power to compete with everyone else. The only part I'm worried about is that unlike a bunch of these bigger free runners, we are lacking all-wheel drive up there. Around the other route. Oh. Right, let's try that again. It was going so well until that. Then it wasn't. And see, on this race, like all the little cars are struggling, all the little classic rally cars with like the Stratos up there is struggling to get these bigger boys. really starts to come to its own. Rubbing his racing. Big jump. And cross the line, first place in the hearse. You have redeemed yourself. Jackson eulogy. Smash attack? What's that? Oh, we just have to hit all these cubes and stuff. How do we hit this? We hit this. We cannot hit that. Oh, it landed on one. I think the blue ones are more than the green ones. Wait, can we go down? Oh, we can go down here. Oh. Oh, and there goes our hood. I guess that's it. But now let's try. Let's try this multi-class event. As much as I want to go nuts in our aerial nomad again, I kind of want to try out. Why don't we try out this, the Volkswagen ID buggy. And the unusual thing about this car is that it's electric, but it's actually rear-wheel drive, and it's also really, really torquey and really, really fast. Oh, and mixing it up with these ancient gas-powered buggies. They have a higher speed than us, but we have the acceleration. Do you mind? Also, the weather changes very, like, one thing is you don't even notice the weather changing, and all of a sudden, like, it was a probably sunny afternoon a couple of minutes ago, and now I haven't even noticed. Now it's pouring rain in the middle of the night. I don't know, I really like this car. It's like sort of like, it's kind of an ode back to the old Volkswagen Beetle buggies back in, the OG Zoom buggies back in the day. I think it's really important for the car manufacturers like Volkswagen to remember that so they keep in touch with the younger generations. And, ooh, that was close. We got the win in the ID buggy. Let's see what we have for... We have Rally T again, so... As much as I want to jump back into the Porsche Tachyon, why don't we try out the... I can't help it, let's try out the A10. We're broke, we are so broke again. We have no money at all anymore, but it's worth. Sparko. Obviously, we have our mid-engine turbocharged platform. And it's a unique Rally GT car that it's built a lot like a classic rally car. It's a short wheelbase. It's mid-engine. It is rear-wheel drive, which makes it harder to control, but it grips so low and it just turns in its mid-engine. It's just up there past the RS100, and the RS100 past this again. That's why I love this game so much. In other racing games, you just kind of get in the first place, and then they just kind of gives up. They're always chasing you. Then you make one mistake, and they all pass you again. It really keeps on edge. You see the entire race. And also, I found like cars. This game has a really good engine sound, and the damage model is also quite good. If you like slowly tap the wall, you'll only get like a scratch. But if you slam another car, how is that guy in first place? Or how is he way up there? Fast RS200. Right there, they are right behind. Just across the line. Come on. There. We could have done better. I kind of want to come back and retry this event in the future. See if we can get all of our little stamps on all of our events. We got podium. We haven't actually done Pathfinder in quite some time. I still have no idea how we're supposed to drift this thing. Especially in a course like this. Like on an... saved it. Exactly 30,000. Wait, $30,000? That's actually quite a lot. You know, why don't we try out the Sierra pre-runner? And there goes all of our money. So it feels like it actually gives way more to this kind of rally truck. Other than that, it feels like stable and solid. place. Yeah, that's just some of the new updates for Dirt 5. Definitely a couple of things I think they could add is that first off, I think that obviously there are a bunch of new cars they could add. Like I love how they have like the really well-known off-roaders like the RS200 and the Fiesta and Stratos and cars like that. But I feel like they could. But then I also love how they have like that like Hot Rod and the hearse and some of these other lesser known companies with these crazy custom off-road vehicles. But I definitely think they could add some more cars. Like, where's my like? What about the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento rally car? That would be a really interesting thing to throw into here. What about the Rally Legend? That is the Audi Sport Quattro from. But these are. I just love how this game just evolving, and it's actually doing it quite quickly. Like I didn't even know there was a second DLC up until a couple days ago. But I definitely think this game is quite underappreciated. I just can't wait to see what updates it has in the future. But for today, that is Dirt 5. We'll have to see, but in a couple of weeks we might be returning our to complete our championship. I'm racing off, and we can check out some of the other cars in this game. But tomorrow, I know I'm a little bit late on this one, but we're going to be jumping in and trying out the Forza Horizon 4 Razor Tachyon all new electric hypercar. I know it technically came out a week ago, but I kind of just wanted to wait and test it in spring because I didn't really want to test it in winter. As well as in a couple days we'll also be trying out the Chevrolet Love, which is the last car of the Hot Wheels car pack in Forza Horizon 4. Thank you guys for watching, and that's all for today. Goodbye.